Welcome back. I'm Pratap here. Today is 29th May 2024. In this video, let us have a short analysis on Bank Nifty, but the analysis will start from a daily time frame. The reason is a new daily supply zone is created, LOTL zone, level on the top of the level. That concepts you already learned. We have a rally, 3 base candles, and a drop candle with hidden body. So before we discuss this analysis, let us have a small announcement, please. If this is your first visit to our channel, please understand we are providing complete free training on supply demand zone price action. All the training lessons are available at our NeoStock YouTube channel. So at our channel, click on this community tab and then you will get access to this post. This post is having a YouTube playlist link that will take you to all the training lessons. You just click on this link. I'm clicking on the link. Now we are into the playlist supply demand zone price action course. This playlist is having all the training lessons related to supply demand zone price action. You just need to scroll down to the bottom of this page. Here, starting from lesson 1.1, you have all the training lessons are available in an order. Please go through all these lessons one by one and strengthen your skills. I have also provided the link to our Telegram channel in this YouTube video description. So please join on the channel. It will be helpful to you. Each time when we release a new YouTube video or any other important update, we will update at our Telegram channel. Now let's get into the Bank Nifty analysis starting from daily time frame. In daily time frame, you have a rally, 3 base candles, and this is a drop candle with a hidden body. So this is the way you can draw a daily supply zone. Maybe light color I will give. Okay. So this daily supply zone and this daily supply zone both are LOTL level. Why again LOTL is created? Because this daily high liquidity supply zone is a high liquidity supply zone. You already learned the important point. High liquidity supply zones are having the ability to create new zones within the same time frame or one time frame lower. That is 75-minute zones. Now LOTL, same time frame zone, only created from here. So this is an indication that this daily supply zone is having a very strong order flow. And within this daily supply zone, again we have a fine-tuned 75-minute zones are available here. That way you may identify some fine-tuned zones. I'm not getting into that level now. Now what we do? Let's move on to the next time frame. Now I am going back and generating 125 minutes just to check any high liquidity zones are created. Here also I am changing the time frame to 125 minutes. We are already having a 125-minute supply zone is created today. A 125-minute supply zone is created. 27, 13, 25, 3 base candles. So this is a 125 minutes supply zone. Here drop candle, you add the hidden body. If you add the hidden body, this entire thing is a drop candle. This is a medium size candle, part of the base, because earlier base candles are there. So this is the 125 minutes supply zone, high liquidity supply zone. Okay. So within this 125 minutes high liquidity fine-tuned supply zone, inside this daily, we have a 5 minutes high liquidity zones are available. So now what we do? Let's go back and generate the next time frame. Now I'm changing the time frame to 75 minutes. I'm generating the chain. Here also changed the time frame. So here also, already yesterday it was created a high liquidity zone. 27:11:45. This is the 27:40. This is the one. This is the 75 minute zone we have drawn yesterday. 75 minutes high liquidity supply zone. Rally base drop. Continuation to this 125 minute zone is there. Both are. That means this 75 minute zone is the responsible for the creation of 125 minutes high liquidity zone. That means 75 minute zone is having a strong order flow. And today anything happened in the 75 minutes time frame? Yes, today morning one zone is created. It is a normal zone only. 28:10:30. So this is the leg candle, 3 base candles, and again a drop candle. So this is the 75 minute zone. Inside the 75 we have a 15 minute supply zone having fine tuned 5 minute supply zone. That way we can treat. So for that, let me draw 75 minute zone, because it makes sense in drawing this zone. Up to here, I guess. Yeah. By drawing this, we have one advantage. Let me tell you what it is. This is a 75 minutes supply zone, normal supply zone only. By drawing this, the advantage we identified, this 75 minute zone is created from this 5 minutes high liquidity supply zone. That means this 5 minutes high liquidity supply zone is the responsible for the creation of this 75 minute supply zone. So this is the important point you have to observe. And this 75 minute zone again having a 15 minute supply zone that we already drawn, and it is having a fine tuned 5 minute supply zone. That means in this area we have a very strong order flow is there. That is the confirmation. Because in case demand is very strong tomorrow, pushes the market up, then in this fine tuned 5 minute supply zone we get a very good trade opportunity, short opportunity. Okay, fine. Now let's move on to the next time frame. 25 minutes. 25 minutes only to check any high liquidity zones are available. But before that, one point we forgot. In 75 minute supply zone, what is the trend? Yesterday we have seen it is a sideways trend. Now it is a downtrend. So one of the 75 minute zone is violated today. 75 minutes trend is down. Daily trend is sideways. Look into this. Okay, now let's move on to the 25 minutes time frame. Here already we changed. So 75 minutes also bearish trade setups are enabled. That means your DIT trades you can use bearish trade setups. Okay, here 25 minutes, any high liquidity zones are created today. Today is 28, normal supply zone is only created. Third, what you do, you can draw these zones on your charts if required. I am drawing only high liquidity zones. Because I am showing you this result, you can pause the video and you can draw them on your charts. Okay, now I'm going back and changing the time frame to 15, generating the chain and also changing the time frame to 15, because currently 15 minutes trend is down and we are trading intraday trades based on 15 minutes ITF, if 15 minutes as ITF. So still 15 minutes trend is downtrend. That means intraday short trades are enabled, because intraday 5 minutes we are assuming 5 minutes is our entry and 15 minutes is our ITF, that is the trend. So any 15 minutes high liquidity zones are created today. Let us check. Here we have a high liquidity supply zone is available here. 28th today. Sorry, today is 29th, I'm sorry. This is yesterday, I think we have already drawn this. 28.5, 14.45, we might have drawn yesterday already. So this is the one. But the mistake we did is 28, 15 minutes. This is a high liquidity supply zone. Anyway, we didn't get the trades today. 28 May 14.45 is the leg candle. Let me check. 14.45. Yesterday I didn't mark this as a high liquidity supply zone. Okay, anyway, no problem. Tomorrow if we get a trade opportunities, definitely it is having a fine-tuned 5-minute supply zone. We can plan the short trade opportunities. And this is inside 75. This 75 inside 75 is inside the daily high liquidity zone. And today there were no 15-minute zones are created today. Even if, okay, here demand zone, immediately available demand zone 23.5, 9.45. Have we drawn that? Here we have already drawn. The 15 minutes high liquidity demand zone having confluence with 75 minutes high liquidity demand zone. But the 15 minutes demand zone is below the 75. There is a 5 minutes high liquidity demand zone acting as a bridge between these two zones. This is what we discussed earlier. So tomorrow this 5 minutes high liquidity demand zone plays the crucial role. Okay, now let's move on to the last time frame, 5 minutes time frame. Generating the chain. Here also we will change the time frame to 5 minutes. Let us check any high liquidity zones created today. Today 29th, right? 29th, here we have seen two zones I have seen here, 6th and 7th. The 6th row and 7th row, we have two high liquidity supply zones are available. And high liquidity demand zone is available, the 8th one, that is 23, 5, 10, 30. This is the one. We already drawn this zone. 23, 5, 10, 30, rally base rally. This is the bridge between 75 minute zone and 15 minutes high liquidity demand zone. Okay, now let us draw the newly created high liquidity supply zones. When is the first one? 6th one. 6th one is not yet tested. 29.5, 9.45, two base candles. Today 9.45. This is the one. 9.45, two base candles and again a drop candle. I am drawing week to week, but when you are planning your trade, you can plan maybe like this, type 2 proximal, if you feel risk is high. So this is the supply zone, high liquidity 5 minute supply zone. This is the immediately, not immediately, there is one more is there. There is below that, there is one more, seventh one. Already tested once and 2 rejections came from this zone. This is on 29, 1330, 5 base candles. Okay, this is the 1330. After that, 5 base candles. Yes, 5 base candles. This is the ERC candle as a leg-in, and these 3, 4. Wick to wick here. I am drawing wick to wick. See, today we got a huge order flow from here. This is a 75-minute zone. 75 minutes high liquidity demand zone. See how it pushed the prices. But who stopped it? Finally, the 5 minutes high liquidity supply zone is holding the prices. This is the last half an hour of today's trading session. So tomorrow's trade is going to be very interesting. If buyers are if sellers are very strong, maybe from here again it will price go down and again it will reach the 75-minute zone. That is one possibility is there tomorrow. If demand is building up and institutions decide to create a new strong demand, then probably with a gap up or maybe slowly this 5 minutes high liquidity supply zone, and then it will move up till the next 5 minutes high liquidity supply zone. There is another possibility is also there. But remember, trend will be changed only when 15 minutes supply zone is violated. That point you should not forget. By violating the 5 minutes, your intermediate trend won't be changed. But only thing is, these are all the high liquidity zones. Strong order flow will be there in these zones. They will give us good short opportunities. So probably you may get a long opportunity in this 5 minutes high liquidity zone. That possibility is there. Or within this 75 minutes high liquidity demand zone, any fine-tuned 5 minute zone if you can find, then also you can plan a trade within this area. That possibility is there. But the 5 minutes high liquidity demand zone acting as a bridge between 75 minute zone and 15 minute zone might be having a strong order flow. That is the case. Somewhere here we get a long opportunity. Now here we got a short opportunity, but today market is closed. But tomorrow's trade is very important. Tomorrow how market opens also plays the important role. If gap up opens, high liquidity zone will be violated. Otherwise, if it gap down, it opened and again prices move up, pick up the orders from the high liquidity supply zone, we get a short trade and then prices will be coming down up to here. That way we can capture this entire move. So this is about Bank Nifty analysis. So let us all meet again in our next video. Thank you.